Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Equifax for online identity verification, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.equifax.com and press enter. Once the Equifax homepage loads, look for the sign in or register option, usually found in the top right corner. Click on the register button to begin the account creation process. You will be directed to a new page with a registration form. Fill in your personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Choose a strong password that meets the security requirements specified on the page. Re-enter your password in the designated field to confirm it. Next, you will need to provide your social security number for identity verification. Enter your date of birth in the required format. Continue by entering your address, including your city, state, and zip code. Once all information is filled out, review the terms and conditions. Check the box to agree to the terms, if you are in agreement. Click the Submit button to proceed with your registration. You may receive a confirmation email shortly after, so check your inbox. Follow the instructions in the confirmation email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Equifax homepage. Click on the Sign In option again, and enter your email and password. After signing in, you can access the online identity verification features. Explore the tools available to monitor your identity and manage your credit profile. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.